what would we call this thing? All of the points that connect A and B along the straight, and I'll use everyday language here, along kind of a straight line like this. Well, we'll call this a line segment. In everyday language, you might call it a line, but we'll call it a line segment, because we'll see when we talk in mathematical terms, a line means something slightly different. So this is a line segment. And if we were to connect D and C, this would also be another line segment, a line segment. And once again, because we always don't have the luxury of colors, this one's clearly the orange line segment, this is clearly the yellow line segment, we want to have labels for these line segments. And the best way to label the line segments are with its endpoints, and that's another word here. So a point is just literally A or B, but A and B are also the endpoints of these line segments, because it starts and ends at A and B. So let me write this, A and B are endpoints. Another definition right over here. We could have called them aardvarks or end armadillos, but we as mathematicians decide to call them endpoints because that seems to be a good name for it. And once again, we need a way to label these line segments that have the endpoints. And what's a better way to label a line segment than with its actual endpoints? So we would refer to this line segment over here. We would put its endpoints there, and to show that it's a line segment, we would draw a line over it just like that. This line segment down here, we would write it like this. And we could have just as easily written it like this. CD with a line over it would have referred to that same line segment. BA with a line segment with a line over it would refer to that same line.